weather's fine, the sun shines most of the time.
It's a beautiful noise with Fisher Stevens, the Neil Diamond tribute.
Amazing grace is how you save me.
Step into a world of unforgettable music with this first-class production celebrating the life and music of the legendary Neil Diamond.
And it fits me as well, just like a hand in a glove.
Now in its 10th incredible year, this critically acclaimed show takes you on a musical journey spanning over 6 decades of timeless hits.
Money talks, it don't sing and dance, it don't walk.
Starring the incomparable Fisher Stevens. Even the harshest critics agree, close your eyes, and it's Neil Diamond.
We danced until the night became a brand new day.
This isn't just a tribute, it's a spectacular production that brings Neil Diamond songs to life with grandeur and emotion, creating unforgettable moments for every audience member.
Let it shine wherever you go.
Don't miss this extraordinary opportunity to experience Neil Diamond's timeless hits in a way you've never imagined. Don't miss your chance to be part of the magic. It's a beautiful noise. And as Neil says, good times never felt so good.